Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can practice trading on MetaTrader 4 app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and you'll be redirected to the settings section where you can see new account at tops on the screen. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to see two options. First one is open a demo account, so simply tap on first one and now you can see MetaCodes demo. So once you tap over there, you'll be redirected to the another section where it is asking us for our credentials, and you can also modify your account type. You can also modify your leverage and also deposit amount, so let's say $100,000. And now finally click on register, which is at top right corner, and you'll be able to create your demo account successfully. And now you need to click on done and you'll be redirected to the home screen where you can see lots of forex option to trade. So let's select first one and now click on trade option, and finally adjust your configuration, your instant execution, your everything, and finally click on buy or sell and you'll be able to trade successfully. So basically this is how you can practice trading on MetaTrader 4, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.